Hello my peep, I'm back home. I'm in Jollyland. I told you I'm gonna tell you when I'm Jollyland. The reason I never make a video of when I was on the road is because my battery died, so I had to charge it. Oh, I forgot that seat is dirty. I should clean it. This one's wet. And I wanna sit in the car, man. So I have an idea. I'm just gonna grab a brush and clean it up. It'll take me not even 2 minutes. Hop, 2, 3, 4. 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 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Okay. So, you can throw that there. You can leave this there. The car's already damaged. So, there's no need to be all fancy and things, you know. This is shattered glass. I'm not scared. I need to get this place cleaned. Told you, not even 2 minutes. It's better than what it was. Let's sit and see. Yeah, man, this is actually great. I can take that when I'm done. Can get back when I'm done. My old Ashley. My old Ashley. Lens J compared to, I can already feel it. Compared to Rich Ways, way different. I must this. I must this. Blowing clouds. So now, after taking my break of making 60 videos, I'm on 90 videos, which is good because within 3 days I made 30 videos. 20 to 30 videos. That's including long format videos and short videos. Short videos, you know. Can't get enough of this journey. This is Jollyland, guys. Like, relaxing, fun times. Plus now I got a computer. So anyway, let me tell you what happened. My father bought me a lock. I need a lock for my door because it's past. I need to start locking my door, you know. Because it's only me in the room. My other brother Uthman in out of the house, so yeah. He comes when he wants, he goes when he wants. So I have the room to myself. So what I was gonna say is that I'm gonna swap the door from the bathroom and I'm going to put it on my room door frame because my door doesn't have a lock mechanism and I bought a new lock, you see. So after this video I'm gonna be busy with that, installing my new door. So I can't wait for the Wi-Fi to be here because mom placed an order and it said confirmed. So they're gonna give her a call within the week, probably. Today is what, Tuesday, end of Tuesday. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, yeah, they'll give her a call within the week. And then mom says within 14 days the Wi-Fi will be here. So that's cool. That's cool beans. I just need to ask Dad to borrow his wires when I download movies and series on my cell phone and then transfer it to the laptop, desktop, my setup, check. How much battery do I have? 48%. So, basically after this video, like after I'm done smoking my cigarette is when this video will be cut. I don't know if you noticed it. When I smoke, if I'm not on topic about something, then I cut the video straight after I smoke a cigarette. But if you didn't notice, that's cool. I'm just pointing it out there, you know. Yeah. So, I need to get my Sasa sorted out. I'm going to do some swap tomorrow. My father is taking me to Lens Quarter to get the some swap done so I can change the number. Once I change the number, I'll do the verification to change banking details. But I did go on a call. So anyway, you know what? Just for this month to see if I get money, it doesn't matter. They said I must suspend the fraud legal cover debit mandate that has been set on my account fraudulently without me accepting, and it was auto accepted. What is that? Somebody definitely has access to this account. I want to learn things, how to hack, so I can fight hacking. That's gonna be the start. Then we can investigate further from there. No time to get the police involved. First customer of the ashtray. Yeah, man, this is way better. I have 2 more joints. That's cool. I just admire this ring. just admire this thing. Really. Once I get my SASA reinstated, I will then go my spider. Tonight is Braai. Dad doesn't like being on the videos, but I'll try and sneak a short in. I'll try my utmost best to just sneak a short in to show you what we're showing. Yeah. Coming home to good vibes. That's actually something to be happy about. Coming home to good vibes. My hand hit the phone out of my hand as I was about to smoke. So, once I reach 100 followers, is when I'm going to say if Wasim is back from vacation or not. But if I hit 100 subscribers, the show will go on obviously. Then I'll see what else to be spontaneous about. I need to start with something. So, it's gonna be the spider. The Chaco Golden Knee. Or a spider for 350 because I got the tank already. I'm gonna show you everything I got from Mom. But that's gonna be on the next video. Yeah. It's a bit dark in my room now. What's the time? It is now 5 to 5 p.m. and winter is setting in, so it's gonna get dark. It's getting dark. Darker than usual. Autumn is coming to an end. So, I wish there was unicorns that were alive with wings. So buraks. I don't know if a burak had a horn. Maybe it was just a horse, a white horse that had wings, no horn. Or maybe it had horn. Or maybe it was mystically created and it wasn't even white. It was some other color. Sparkly. Nobody knows because no one besides Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam saw a burak. And a quagga is in South Africa. That's a mix between a horse and a zebra, if I'm not mistaken. Being goofy. But that animal is extinct. That animal is extinct. That's better, man. The seed wasn't aligned. The seed wasn't aligned. That's so much better, man. I won't lie. Now I'm resting. I was feeling uncomfortable and quite irritable. These pigeons, I don't like other kind of pigeons with red rings around the eyes and red feathers. Normal pigeons. The red pigeons, I don't like them. I like simplicity. I like starfish. I like seahorses. I like octopus. If I'm not mistaken, it's the only creature on earth to have three hearts. It has a beak and it has tentacles or suction cups. How else isn't Allah great? It's like a bird mixed with a spider, mixed with the alien, mixed with the big brain, mixed with the mega mind, mixed with the eagle, mixed with the tarantula, mixed with a chameleon, because some squad or if not all can change their colors for defensive purposes, blending in, camouflaging, which is quite amazing. Imagine changing your skin at will in brain power. That's definitely using more than 1% of your brain. Dolphins are said to be using more than 90% of their brain. And my brother Wasim told me they the crackheads of the ocean. They eat pufferfish to get high. That's quite funny. Dolphins, mammals which communicate with humans. Then you get killer whales, the shark's nemesis. And do you know that a Jannati doesn't matter no matter Muslim or not, Allah will grant creation Jannah. Allah will grant creation Jahannam. And it is said that Allah will grant either one world to the size of this world or 10 worlds to a Jannati to have for himself. Imagine that. And Jannah is a place, and Jahannam is a place. Jannah and Jahannam are places in which we have never seen and we have never heard of. We don't have any brain capacity. We don't have any brain capacity to fathom anything that comes from Jannah or Jahannam. Is one single hair of a lady of Jannah said by Allah that if it had to drop down to the earth, it would light up the whole earth as well as the universe. So imagine the Noor coming from Jannah, the creation in Jannah, the peon of Jannah. Noor is light, Iman is belief. And I will say, toodaloo, my peeps.